Hey everybody, it's Jimmy here with True Homes. I'm in our Edgewater community right now, and I'm standing in front of a newly completed Canterbury floor plan in our Cottages neighborhood. And let me move myself down there so you can get a better view of this home. This is a 3-bedroom, 2 full bath, 1,140 square foot home, and it's listed for just $296,900. And this home literally completed in our system yesterday, so we're going to go inside and check this out. Like I said, it's in our Cottages section. That's our low maintenance, easy living section where your lawn maintenance and your garbage are included in that. So here's the Canterbury. You walk in, an entryway right here, coat closet. And then this is going to be your main living space. So you've got 9-foot ceilings. Nice dark brown. This is sustainable wood laminate flooring. And your main living space is open to the kitchen and your eating area. So you've got integrated eating here. So you've got a kitchen island. And then you've got a space right here for your kitchen table, pantry, and it comes up to here too. And check this out, soft close cabinet doors. That's on all the cabinets. And then you've got a gas range stove. And oops, there's a look from your eating space back into the great room. Got these cool pendant lights above the island as well. And then you got a patio, and you got a screen on here too, so if you want to enjoy the weather, you have this open with the screen. Concrete space. You can put a privacy fence in here. This is the only section in the Cottages where you can actually put a vinyl privacy fence. Everywhere else in the community, it's restricted to one of those black iron fences. Here we go. Nice look at the main living space. Let's check out the bedrooms. Here we go in the primary first. Primary bedroom has a tray ceiling. So like I said, 9-foot ceilings already. The tray takes up to about 11 feet tall. And then here's a look at your primary bathroom. Single bowl vanity. You got the walk-in shower with the white subway tile all the way up to the top. And then walk-in closet here. And then our two secondary bedrooms and laundry are going to be down here. And another full bath. Single bowl vanity. Upgraded cabinetry though. And you got the tub shower combo right there. Bedroom number 1. About 10.5 by 10.5. This other one's about the same size. Bedroom number 2. The window looking out towards the front. And then your laundry room. So a nice big laundry room, and this could serve as sort of like a drop zone or mud room as well because it's right off of the 2-car garage. It's got a 2-car garage, so plenty of space to park your car or get additional storage. And then the tankless gas hot water heater as well. So again, this floor plan is the Canterbury. This is in the Cottages section. I'm filming this in mid-April of 2026. This house is currently available for $296,900. The base price to build a Canterbury without any upgrades is about $275,000. That's before the lot premium or anything else. Now I can build a base Canterbury in this community as well, starting at $274,900. So if you're looking to build, we can do that. But if you're looking for a completed one, I've got one for you right here. Give me a call, 704-313-8514. Thanks for watching.